What do you do when the Supreme Court just completely screws the pooch on a decision? Well, this is a question that Lincoln had to answer in the aftermath of the disastrous Dred Scott decision in 1857, and he gives the best possible answer. He says, look, you have to uphold the rule of law. You cannot refuse to enforce the Dred Scott decision, nor can you take up arms against the court, because that's not how the rule of law works. When the courts make a fully settled decision on a constitutional question, then that decision should be binding not just in particular cases, but in all future cases, and should guide general policy as well. But it just so happens that Dred Scott is not a fully settled decision on a constitutional question. It's just a really bad one-off decision. Why? Well, one, because it was not a unanimous decision. It was a 7-2 split. And two, it was shot through with partisan bias. And three, it was based on a completely false understanding of American history. And fourth, it wasn't even in line with previous Supreme Court decisions. So this isn't a fully settled decision from the court. It's just a bad decision from the court, which shouldn't be allowed to guide all future similar cases, nor should it be allowed to guide future U.S. policy. It is controlling in the case of Dred Scott, but that's as far as it goes. And Republicans should do everything they can to prevent it from becoming fully settled law. And of course, it does not become precedent because of the 13th and 14th Amendments.